Hi everyone, welcome to another segment of Cooking with the Stars, brought to you by the Rio Grande Valley Diabetes Association in partnership with Happy Healthy Valley. And today we have our guest chefs, Agustin and Mireya, and together we will be sharing with you guys a wonderful healthy recipe of pork loin with a cherry balsamic marmalade. And it's another way for us to be sharing with you great recipes that everyone can do at home, and they're really great for people that have diabetes, hypertension, because the ingredients we'll be using today are really friendly for people that have chronic diseases such as diabetes or high blood pressure. One of the things that I really love about this recipe is that we're going to be using pork loin. I know a lot of us in the Hispanic culture are sometimes hesitant to use pork, but our chefs today are going to show you how really it is to cook with pork and how to bring flavor to the pork without using a lot of ingredients that have salt. We will be using a little bit of kosher salt, and this is where we're going to get some of our sodium from, but it's a great alternative to table salt, because even though it is salt, it has much lower sodium than your regular iodized table salt. And then the rest of the ingredients are even natural. I know chefs are even going to talk about 100% natural honey that they get from their neighbors.
Absolutely.
So, and we're going to be using fresh thyme. We're going to be using garlic, olive oil, which is another really good healthy fat. And of course, we have like our balsamic vinegar. So this recipe is wonderful. It's going to taste delicious, very flavorful. And again, using pork is one of the leanest proteins that you can have out there. So it's a really great alternative. If you're used to using or cooking with beef, we know that a lot of times beef has very high levels of cholesterol and saturated fat. Pork loin is very lean, very low in fat, very high in protein. And so it's really a great option to use, especially if you have diabetes, high cholesterol, or even high blood pressure. So we will take it away with our guest chefs.
Hi, welcome to Mi Casa, Su Casa. This is Augie with a smile, and this is Mrs. Augie with a smile. I'm going to give you some recipes. What's the matter? You're okay? Okay. She's a very shy person, and it's very hard for her, but today I'm going to show you how to cook some delicious pork loin. And my God, you need to try, y'all. Now, I just learned something. I wish I was 30. I wish I was 40. I wish I was 50. And I get chills that I wish I would have known how to eat healthier. But it's never too late, folks. So with that said, let's get down to the recipe. All right. And what's this, what we're going to cook, Mireya?
We're going to cook a cherry balsamic pork loin.
Sweet and tangy, yes. And of course, I used to be on the board of directors with the Rio Grande Valley Diabetes Association. I want to thank the boards and of course Diana Ramirez, yes. So with that in mind, now, these are my ingredients, but before I get to the ingredients, you can either do this in the oven or you can do it outside in the barbecue pit. So it's very important. Now, make sure that you have a baking sheet, okay? Now, regarding the oven, it all depends because all the ovens are different. You might put it at 300 and it's cooking at 400. So, right, Mireya?
Yes.
Okay. So with that in mind, let's go to the ingredients. Now, basically, you want to know who cooks better than me? She does. She's awesome. And we have ingredients here in front of you. We have the sherry. Now, the sherry, they can either be fresh or they can be frozen. Okay, right, Mireya?
Yes, and it's cherries.
Cherries, okay, cherries. And then we have the aged balsamic, which is the olive oil. Okay.
Here's the balsamic olive oil.
Okay, and then we have the
Dijon mustard.
very important, folks, not your ordinary mustard.
Honey.
Honey, very important, folks. Very important. This is 100% from the honeys.
Thyme.
Very important, the thyme.
Kosher salt. and pepper.
Very, very important.
Now, all the ingredients go into the blender.
With 3/4 cup of water. I'm sorry.
No.
No?
No water.
No water?
No
You didn't use
water.
Oh,
No.
pues on the cherries. Okay,
No.
well, I'm going to have some water.
You have to make sure it's very, very well blended because the thyme is supposed to be fresh. Okay? So put it in your blender, blend it really well, and then you're going to put it into a bag where you're going to put your pork loin in.
So,
You marinate that for 40 minutes.
right, 40 minutes.
Okay? You can marinate it longer if you have the time. But if you want to do it like for dinner or something, you can just marinate for 40 minutes and then put into a 400-degree oven. That's what I use, 400 degrees, for 45 minutes to an hour. It depends on how thick the pork loin is that you have.
But basically, you get the little one, right?
I get the 1 pound, 2 ounces.
Right.
Pork
so
loins.
it's very important. So this has been marinated already. Now, one of the things that I use is gloves. Whenever you're cooking, you got to grab the food, because what happens is all the ingredients, even though you wash your hands 100 times, guess what, folks? It's going to stay with you for a little while. So therefore, here we go. Isn't this delicious? And it's healthy, you all. It's very, very, very healthy.
That's
Now,
it.
don't throw this away.
No.
We're going to
No.
use this.
No. This you throw away.
Oh, are you sure?
Yes.
Oh, man. Okay, then we're going to put it in the oven for y'all. Okay. And we're going to cook it for about an hour?
Yes.
Okay.
Depending again on how thick your pork loin is.
Okay. So therefore, I just want you all to know that we need to eat healthy, folks. And also, don't forget to walk. Now, some of you say, pues I do a lot of housework. I do a lot of housework. Sorry, folks, that's not exercise. You need to grab your cane, your long wood, and walk. If you're in a neighborhood, walk. Very, very, very important to stay healthy. And now, we're getting ready to dish out that pork that is ready, okay? Okay, here we go. And folks, this is it right here. Look at that. Now, are we going to... Now, it's very important. Once you take it out of the oven, you got to let it rest for about 10 minutes. That's like with any T-bone, ribeye that you do, okay? And this is how you do it. You got to let it... All right. So, now, you let it rest. It's very, very important, folks. Now,
It's ready.
it's ready for us to eat, okay? So,
Along with the pork loin, we're going to have this for lunch. And we will be serving a broccoli salad along with it.
broccoli salad. Folks, none of you know that you can make salads. Broccoli salad. This is a broccoli salad. You can use regular mayonnaise, but guess what, folks? The mayonnaise has a lot of sugar. So, we use a different type of mayonnaise. Now, this is not to promote
I think it's on the other side.
the company or anything, but this is for healthy. This is Cooking with the Stars. It's all about happy, healthy value. This is very important, folks. Very, very important. So the healthier you eat, the more el corazón is going to love you, and your family, and your children, and your grandchildren. So, folks, eat well. Okay? So with that in mind, I love you all. Stay healthy, walk, love each other, and guess what, folks? Wear your mask. Now, we're all very healthy in this house right now. So, love you. And I get very sentimental because I love my people. And diabetes affects the whole body, folks. It affects everything.
Yeah.
So, with that in mind, mi casa, su casa, enjoy, and many blessings to you all.